Yo, what's up? Jay Tela here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to give you another HIIT routine that you can perform in the comfort of your own home. It's going to involve 4 exercises. It's mostly dealing with the legs. So your legs is going to be tired. Make sure you drink some water because this is going to be pretty intense. The whole routine is going to last you about 8 minutes, alright, with 12 rounds. So it's not going to be easy, but my voice will motivate you. Let's get started. All right, so let's get motivated. Let's go. Let's get pumped. You could do this. Next exercise is the in and out squats. All right. So make sure that you squat low. All right, at least 90 degrees. Let's go. Keep the core tight. Keep your hands in front of your face. All right, and just believe in yourself. You could do this. All right. Don't give up. Let's go. 30 seconds. Awesome. Come on. Come on. Come on. Awesome job. Keep the core tight. Breathe through your diaphragm, okay? Come on, come on. Go as low as possible. At least 90-degree angle, all right? Awesome job. 10-second rest. Now the next exercise that we're going to do is the cross high knee lunges, all right? With your right leg, okay? So let's go. All right, this routine focuses mostly on the leg muscles, all right? So your legs are going to be burning, but for those that want tone legs, all right, and tone glutes, hamstrings, quads, this is the exercise that you need to do. All right, so let's go. All right, so just perform the cross high knee and then into a lunge. All right, awesome job, awesome job. Make sure you keep the core tight. Okay, you have to keep the core tight to stabilize yourself. Awesome job. 10-second rest. Next exercise is the cross high knee lunge with the left leg now. Okay. All right, and let's go. You could do it. Awesome, awesome. Come on, come on. Knees up high, then squat. Perform the lunge. Knees up and then lunge. Awesome. You're doing a great job. I see you. I see you. Just keep it up. All right, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you because you're performing this routine. All right, so this is the first step to accomplishing your fitness goals. Awesome. 10-second rest. Next exercise is the squat spin out. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Awesome. Squat down low and then twist your torso. All right. Left and right. Awesome job. Awesome job. I am telling you, your legs are going to be burning, but no pain, no gain. Right. Keep it up. Keep it up. Good, good, good. Come on. Good job, good job. Come on, push yourself, push yourself. Let's go, let's go. Awesome, 10-second rest. Next exercise is the squat front kicks, all right? Let's go. All right, now squat low and then kick your leg out and touch the toes, all right, for each leg. Come on, come on. I see you, I see you. I know your legs are burning, all right? Trust me. I know it burns, but just keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. You're doing great. Good, good, awesome, awesome. Almost there. About 3 seconds, come on. 10-second rest, awesome job, all right? Next exercise is a single high knees, all right? Starting with your right leg, okay? Now this is going to require balance, all right? So if you need to support yourself by using a wall, then do that, okay? If not, then you're a beast. Good, good, come on. I know you can see me trying to stabilize my own stuff. Come on, just do as best as you could. I know that this exercise might be a little difficult for some people, but just do the best that you could, okay? Come on. Awesome, good job. 10-second rest. Now the next exercise is still the single high knee, but with the left leg now, okay? Now this was hard for me because my right ankle has some stabilization issues, okay? So this was pretty hard for me, but I still got through it. Awesome, awesome. Come on, come on. Knees up high. Good job. Core tight. And swing those arms. Good job. We're almost there. About 15 more seconds. Come on, come on. All right, 3, 2, 1. Awesome, 10-second rest. You are doing great. I'm so proud of you. Next exercise is the toe jumps, okay? Come on, you can do this. Bounce on your toes, okay? And raise up your arms. Good job, good job. As fast as you could. Good, good, good. You are doing great. Wow, impressive, impressive. Come on. Bounce on your toes, all right? This is a great calf exercise, by the way, all right? Keep it up, keep it up. Almost there, almost there. Come on, come on. I see you, I see you. You are doing great. I'm telling you, keep it up. Awesome, 10-second rest, all right? The next exercise is the crosswalk reverse. This is going to be a little bit complicated also, all right? So starting off with your right leg, cross your right leg in front of your left leg, then your left leg in front of your right leg, and then reverse the process, all right? And then perform a squat, okay? So this is going to be a little tricky, okay? But just try your best. Squat, okay? Cross, and then reverse the process, all right? And then squat. Awesome. Good job, good job. This is a perfect exercise that targets your inner thigh muscles, okay? So awesome job. 10-second rest. Next exercise is the poly lunges squat, okay? Good job. All right, come on. 10-second rest and let's get to it. Let's go, let's go. Push yourself, push yourself. Awesome, awesome. All right, as fast as you could, as low as you could also, okay? I know at this point your legs is burning because mine was killing me, all right? But I kept it up, I kept going, all right? Come on. If you need to stop, then just stop for a brief moment and then get right back to it, okay? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Almost there, almost there. Good job, good job. All right, 10-second rest. Now to the fast squats, okay? Let's go. As fast as you could, okay? Let's go. Arms out. Squat as fast as you could. Come on, come on. Good, good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Push yourself, all right? No pain, no gain, right? Come on, we're almost there. About halfway. Come on. I know it burns, oh my gosh. I know, but keep it up, keep it up. We're almost there, almost there. Come on. Come on, push, push, push. 2, 1. Awesome. 10-second rest. One more exercise. The last exercise is the sprint, all right? I love performing the sprints. All right, so let's go. All out effort, let's go. 30 seconds, push yourself. Come on, come on, swing those arms, core tight. All right, as fast as you could, okay? Breathe, 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 breathe. On your toes, come on, let's go, let's go. Almost there, halfway through it, come on. Come on, come on, come on, let's go, let's go. We're almost there, come on. Come on, I see you, I see you, I see you. Come on, you're doing great, you're almost there, don't stop. 2, 1. Awesome, good job, good job. So proud of you. Awesome job, good job. I'm so proud of you. I knew that you could do it. All you needed is just a little push and you got through it. Good job, give yourself a hand clap, all right? Guess what, also, I'm starting online personal training, all right? So if you're interested, just leave comments down below because I just need to find out who is interested in being coached online, all right? And I'm here to help you out to accomplish all of your fitness goals. So leave comments down below to inform me if you're interested in the online training. All right, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. Check me out on IG at Jay Tela_fitness. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace, drink some water.